How to design a business card for free. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial of designing your own business card, and in order to do this we will use Canva, so this will allow us to create our business cards for free. So if you don't have account on canva.com yet, you will find a link in the description, so all you have to do is click on the link, it will take you to Canva, and then create your own account or log in using your Google account. Once you do this, what we need to do is from this menu up here we have to choose templates, and then under category that says business we need to find business card. We click on it and it will take us to business card templates. Once business card templates load, we can scroll down here and here we will see some templates, and over here we've got different categories. So if you're looking for a business card template, for example for yoga studio, web designer, freelancer, filmmaker, etc., a lawyer, a restaurant, makeup artist, etc., you can just click over here and it will show you templates that are designed especially for the given profession. Or you can just choose one of the ones that are highlighted over here. You can choose any template you like. Let's say I'm going to choose this template. So if we click on the template, let's say I'm gonna click on this one, we will see how the front page and the back page will look like. So as you can see, this template looks like this. I'm going to use this in this tutorial. So once you choose the template that you like, we have to click use this template, and this will open Canva editor where we will be able to customize it to our own needs. We can change the pictures in it, logo, background, colors, fonts, and whatever else we want. So as you can see, this is how it looks like once it's already loaded. So over here, as you can see, we can just simply click on the element that we want to change. So let's start from changing maybe the name. We just double click over here, we can highlight the text, and then we can type in our name or our business name or whatever else we want to put on our business card. So for me, I'm going just to type in TheAppsWorld. And then down here maybe I'm going to type in YouTuber or YouTube channel. And then the next thing we would like to change is maybe the logo over here. Of course we can move this logo to any place, or we can simply delete it. So if we want to delete this logo and replace it with something else, we just click on it, we press delete on our keyboard. And as you can see, the logo was already deleted, and now we can put our own logo here. So if you prepared your own logo by yourself, you can go to uploads, then click upload media, and then you can choose media from your computer in order to upload it here and then add to your business card. You can also choose one of the available logos or elements available in Canva. So all we need to do is click here on elements, and then over here we can either search for some elements, for example sun, abstract, moon, or whatever else we want, it should find it. Or you can choose one of the categories over here. As you can see, stickers, charts, grids, gradients, coronavirus related, and so on, zodiac signs. So you can choose whichever you like. And a very important thing, once you choose logo or anything else, once you hover your mouse over the element, you will see that it's free. Some of the elements or logos or shapes are from pro version, from paid version. So if you want to create your business card completely for free, have that in mind that you need to see free in the right bottom corner. So for this tutorial, let me choose this logo over here. So I'm just gonna click on it. And as you can see, as soon as I clicked, it was added over here. So I can move it to any place I want. Let's say I want to move it here. And then I can also resize this logo. If I want to resize exactly in the same place as it is, I need to hold Alt key on my keyboard, and while I'm holding Alt key I can be resizing. As you can see, it's resizing like this. So let me resize it maybe something like this, and then I'll move it a little bit down here to make it over here. So this is how we add logo. Now let's move to the next step, which is changing the background color. In order to change the background color of our card, of course it doesn't have to be white, all we have to do is click anywhere on the background, like I did right now, and then in the left top corner over here we've got background color. So let's click over here, and then over here we have different colors, so you can choose whichever color you like. Let me choose maybe yellow, and once you're done you just click anywhere here. And as you can see, we changed the color of our front page of business card. Now let's move to the back of our business card. Of course you can change the text over here, you can change the text over here. Of course you know how to change this text, so I'm not gonna show you how to do it. Now let's move to the next step, is changing this logo over here, so let me delete it. And then I'm going to add the same logo, but I'm going to show you how to rotate it. So I'm clicking on it. As you can see, it was added. We can move it to any place we want. And then under our logo, we see this little tool over here. So if we click, we can rotate it and we can see how many degrees are we rotating it. So I want to rotate it by 90 degrees. I can move it over here. And then I want to resize it. So one more time, I'm holding Alt key. I'm resizing it, and let me move it a little bit outside here. And let's say I want it to be like this. And once we have our symbol, we can of course change also the colors of this symbol. So right now it's black, as you can see, but if I click over here on the color, I can change the color to anything I want. It could be white, yellow, grayish, blue, or whatever other color I want. If you want more colors, you can click over here, and then you can select any color you want by just simply changing it over here and then dragging this to whichever place you want. So over here I'm just going to choose white for now, or maybe grayish like this, and this element was already changed. And in the same way we can change the background color, so we can just click on the background and we can just choose whichever background color we want. Or we can also add a picture as our background color. If you have any picture that you already prepared, you just go to Uploads, Upload Media, and then add any background color you want. You can also choose from the menu on the left side, background over here. And then it will show you some recent backgrounds over here, some, for example, like this one. So if we click on this one, it should automatically load background color for us. And we can also search backgrounds over here, so you can search for any background you want. And if I click on this one, for example, it will add me a background that looks like this. So you can customize your business card to whatever you want. And there is also a third option of adding a picture. That would be going down here, scrolling down until we see more, click on more, and then over here under apps and integrations we've got Pexels and Pixabay. Those are websites with free images, so I would suggest clicking on Pixabay for example. And then over here we've got some images that we can use as our background, or we can simply type in the search over here whatever we're looking for and then use the picture that finds as our background. So let me just type in background over here for example, and as you can see it found something like this. So we can choose whichever picture we like. Let's say I'm just going to use this one, so I click on it. As you can see it was added, and right now we need to resize it. So make sure you resize it to fit exactly the boundaries of our business card. As you can see here, I need to go a little bit up. So to make sure that there is nothing that is not covered. And then after you resize it, as you can see for me it moved automatically to the background. However, if it doesn't move for you automatically to the background, all you have to do is click on the background or on your picture. And after you click on your picture, you can right click on it and then click replace background. And right now, as you can see, it's automatically resized and fit in the background of my business card. So that's how you can do it. And that's how you can create your own business card for free. Please let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.